Hello, friends! Let's begin by exploring the alphabet. Starting with the letter A. Let's trace the letter A together. Capital A. Let's trace the second letter A together. Capital A. Let's trace the third letter A together. Capital A. Let's trace the letter A together. Small a. Let's trace the second letter A together. Small a. Let's trace the third letter A together. Small a. Great job! You found the A egg. Let's circle it and move on. A is for apple. Let's all say apple together. A is also for ant. Can you say ant with me? Look at that airplane. A is for airplane. Let's say it together. A is for alligator. What a cool creature. And here's an astronaut. Can you say astronaut with me? We had so much fun with A today. Let's wave goodbye to our alphabet friends. See you next time.